Hi everyone, this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. I hope that you're all doing well. So I just thought I'd come on and do a quick flip through of a new junk journal that I just finished. And this one here is using my French Blue Cameo digital that I just put out, I don't know, a week or so ago. And I did a longer version, not kind of my typical junk journal, but I just thought I'd do something different. Let's see. So this one here, it measures about 8 1/4 by 4 inches or so across. And I used, things are falling here. I also did what's called a hidden spine. I've never done that before. Usually I, sew in and then I hide it over the top with material and such. But this one here with the hidden spine, it's sewn inside onto like a piece of cardboard and then glued on the inside so you don't have it here, if that makes sense. And I got this idea from Reborn Art and Healing, Cara-Renee Wolf. She's on YouTube as well as Instagram. And she can explain it to you definitely better than I probably could. But she did, it was fairly easy first time doing it. So, I'm sure with practice it'll become a little bit easier. But anyways, so what I did, I just covered with one of the digitals. And these digitals, so this kit, I got my dog on top of him here, my little labradoodle coming in to see what's going on. This kit, I didn't even use half of what's in this kit. I mean, it comes with so many different pages to use, and I probably only used maybe 1/4 of them, so I have lots more that I can make other ones with. But yeah, so it's a fun kit with all the cameos and the blue flowers and the creams and tans. So anyways, and I'll link that below too so you can see that a little bit more in depth. But anyways, so what I did here is I just put some little embellishments here. This is some old jewelry that I had that was a broken necklace that I cut and I put it here. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then some little flower with kind of the same little rhinestones on there, some little flowers with the pearls. She's got a little necklace here, so I thought that was pretty. Then this here, I didn't think about it when I was putting it together. So afterwards I thought, okay, how can I do a little enclosure? So what I did some Velcro, and it's not the prettiest having, the little Velcro there. So that would be something that I need to change the next time I do it. But when it's covered, it's nice. And then another thing I did differently. And this is the first time, and I just kind of put it together myself here. I want to make sure that I'm still in frame here for you. But it's individual folders for the signatures. And I've never seen this before. I'm sure there's probably somebody out there that's done it already. And maybe I had seen it and just can't remember, and that's why I had the idea. But yeah, so each one is a different little folder, which I thought was kind of fun. And I'll do this again, I think, because I kind of like the idea. It's not perfect because it was the first time that I did it. But that's okay. That's how we learn. So let's just go into it here. So here's the first little folder. Opens up here. I used a lot of different scrap papers and that sort of thing. This is from a book that I have. The guy went around, I don't know if it's just in the States or at other places, but he did, oh, what do you call it? You know, where you put a piece of paper down and you take a pencil and it brings the writing through. I know there's a word for it, but I can't remember what it's called. But I love this book. I've used this a lot in other journals. Just because I like, you know, kind of the words and that sort of thing. This here, I've got this throughout this. I've got different pages of a book that had black and white floral. A little music sheet here. And this just kind of opens up to that. Then here I have a little pocket with some cute little girls. Little journal tag here. And then that's the first of the little folders. There's the second one. Scraps there. This is a larger pocket here. Two Cameo cards, journal cards that I put some music on the back. Then this opens up to some writing space. Corner pocket, a little letter here. This is also from that same book, and it has the kind of the Victorian ladies in it. So I like that. And this one here says Paris Fashions for July 1865. I like that since it's July, so I didn't mean to do that, but I noticed that when I was going through, so that's kind of neat. Then this here, I printed one of the digitals onto some transparent film paper, which I love because it creates, you know, the see-through. And then this is an old letter, and I put that on some rice paper just because I like the texture of it. And then just some more scraps here. This is the second folder. Here's this one here, some more of that paper. That's also from that same book. I like the black and the white. Here's a little envelope. Some little ephemera in it. Music paper. And this here's like a bookmark. And I took that same transparency film paper and I put it on there so you could kind of see through wherever you're at. This pretty little girl here. Some more of that black and white paper. So there's that one. Okay, there's this one here. Again, some more of that rubbed paper. Another little pocket with sweet girls here. Little tag. And then this here, I love this with the French poodle. This makes me laugh. And then I've got a little tag here, some script. Just opens up. And I had some old ledger paper that I have in here in a little pocket. There's that one. A little Cameo. Another little pocket here. Another little envelope. Got a letter here. And then here's like a, whoops, moving my thing around. The photograph of some old Victorian ladies there. And then in here, I've got a pocket. Oh, here's another one of those French poodles. This is just a book page that I had. Pocket here. And there is that. So yeah, you guys, it's just kind of fun to do. Yeah, I'm gonna try that again. I kind of like the little file folders. It's, like I said, it's not perfect because it's the first time that I've done that, but keep practicing and I'll get better at it. So I've been so busy creating so many different digitals that I haven't been having time to really craft, and I've got so much of my digitals because I print them all out, so I need to start crafting. But this I think is the next one that I'm gonna do here. That I just put it up, but isn't she pretty? And I love it because it's all in kind of peaches and light pinks and blacks, creams, just beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing this one, I think, next. Not sure. I think I'll make more of a bigger journal for it. So, but you never know once you kind of start, you know, to do them. You never know really kind of what direction I'll go into. So yeah, isn't that just beautiful? So pretty. So there you go. You kind of get an idea of that one there. So anyways, there you are. Thank you so much for stopping by. And it's Saturday here today when I'm filming this. We're going to a wedding. We're just doing the reception part of it tonight, so that's our plans for the weekend. But I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And again, thank you for stopping by. I'll link down Cara's information so you can see how she does that binding, and as well as some of the kits. All right, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.